Hello, welcome to your speaking test for Academy Stars 2 for Unit 9 and 10. Okay, how are you today? You are from Vietnam, and how are you? Are you happy or sad or good today? Okay, you are happy. And by the way, what's your name again? And how old are you, Adam? Okay, so are you ready for your speaking test? Yes, okay, so let's begin. Let's start with the part one of your speaking test. Okay, so look at the picture, Adam. Okay, so look at the living room. What are the objects you can see in the living room? I can see. Mhm, mhm, mhm. And again, okay, I can see sofa and lamp. How about in the kitchen? Yeah, I can see table, windows, and this is a refrigerator. Refrigerator. Again, refrigerator. Generator. Okay, again, refrigerator. Okay, can you practice that? Can you say ref? Okay, so let's call it ref. Okay, so how about this? In the bedroom, what can you see in the bedroom? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Window, bed, lamp, and a picture. How about in the bathroom? Mhm. I can see. What's this? Shower. Okay, and this is a bowl. How about this? Yes, and this is the color pink. Yes, the color pink here. Can you say bathtub? Yes, bathtub. This is sink. This is mirror. Okay, very good. Okay, so remember those objects. Okay, and for the part two, so what is this, Adam? It's a stove. Yeah, again, stove. Yeah, stove. Where we can see stove, we can see in, in the kitchen. Can you move it there? In the kitchen, can you move it like that? Can you move it? All right, very good, Adam. Next is yes, we can see TV in the living room. Good job. Next is mhm, in the bedroom. Can you put it there? Okay, good job. Next is wardrobe. Yes, again, wardrobe. Yes, where you can see a wardrobe. Yes, can you put it there? Okay, this is bathtub. Yes, in the bedroom. That is a bathtub. Can you put it there? Okay, very good, Adam. Next is yes, where you can see a lamp. Okay, can you put it in the bedroom? Okay, good job for the second part. And let's move on to the third part of your speaking task. So here you will use all the picture. You will make a story. Let's start with picture one. Let's say this is Anna and this is Rose. Anna and Rose. Okay, so Anna and Rose to okay, Anna and Rose went to went to the big park. And how about for the second picture? Mhm. Took photo of an elephant. Okay. How about for the third picture? Rose. Again, Rose fed the, what's this? Giraffe. Giraffe. Can you say that again? Rose fed the giraffe. Rose, again, Rose fed, again, Rose fed the giraffe. Rose fed, okay, and for the last picture, Anna went home very, very, very happy or sad? Happy. Okay, again, Anna and Rose went home very happy. Went, okay, they are happy. Okay, so for the last part of your speaking test, okay, so here you will answer some personal questions. So are you ready? Okay, so the first question, Adam, is what is your favorite room in the house? My favorite, my favorite room in the house is the bedroom. Why do you like bedroom? I do. Yeah, you can play games in your bed. Okay. And where do you usually do your homework? My my homework in in the bedroom. And which one do you prefer? Which one do you like? Watching TV or reading books? I like. You like reading books. Why? Because you learn. Yeah. Okay, I learn from reading books. Okay, so you like reading books. Okay, can you tell me the different rooms in your house? What are the different rooms in your house? My house has. Mhm. Okay, in bedroom. And tell me the members of your family. How many are you in the house? How many are you in the house? How many people are there? Grandpa, your grandma, mom, your mom. Who do you live? Who do you live in the house? Who lives in your house? Yes. How many? How many are you in the family? Five. Okay. Can you say there are there are five people in a house. Okay. So where do you usually go out with your family? Does your family go to the zoo, go to the market, mall, park, zoo? You go to the zoo. Okay, so your family usually go to the zoo. Okay, so which one do you like? Going to the zoo or playground? I like to the zoo. Why do you like going to the zoo? Of, of elephant and tiger. Wow. So what is your favorite lesson in Academy Stars 2? Which one do you like about the lessons we discussed? Is it about the food, about animals, about the traffic, about house? What you like about the animals? Because you like animals. Okay, job well done. You did a great job in the speaking test. Keep on practicing, Adam. Okay, so that's the end of your speaking test. Goodbye. Yes, and I'll see you again on your next speaking test. Bye bye, Adam.